Hi, my name is Brooke Rush. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, thanks for stopping by. Regardless, please subscribe, hit like down below. It really helps me out, kind of gives me an idea of what kind of things you guys would like to see. But today I just wanted to show you, I have found the absolute holy grail for applying false lashes. So if I look a little odd to start here, it's because no mascara on yet. I have my eyeliner on, but I wanted to show you how insanely easy this new product makes getting on a set of false lashes. So what it is from a company called Worthy the Label, and Worthy the Label has created an adhesive false eyelash pen. Now it looks very similar to an eyeliner. They have gorgeous packaging, by the way. So just like a standard eyeliner pen, so tonight I use the Blickety Black from Hank & Henry, very similar tip to it. So these actually have just a pointy tip like your eyeliner pen would. And let me just tell you, it has flow. So that was my biggest concern in trying this. I thought, that's great, but how long is adhesive truly gonna be patent through a marker tip? And the reality is, this is the one I've been using for several weeks now. I actually put this mark on earlier just to kind of get a sense, and it does not budge. It's actually touted, they say it is not to replace your liner. So it is not like a magnetic liner that says this is replacement for your liner and also is what you're going to use to adhere your lash. This literally says on the packaging that it is not intended to replace your liner, but it has heck of staying power. So, and it truly has a really great line to it. So what they tell you is to put it on and only wait, you only have to wait 2 to 3 seconds. So I'm just gonna show you, I just made that little line on my skin there. I'm gonna take this little lash that I wasn't intending to use and just show you how quick it adheses down to that line. It is crazy and so easy. So on and off, almost a little repositionable. But the beauty of this, aside from how easy they are to put on, is that when they come off, there is little to no adhesive that sticks on the lash. So I'm one of those girls that reuses lashes until they are dying to get into the trash can on their own. There is very little work to be done to clean it up to be able to reuse. So let me show you how fast and easy these go on. So today I'm just using, I think these are Moxie Lash. So this is a little bit heavier of a band. I was a little concerned when I first tried it because I tried it on one of those light style lashes that it wouldn't have enough hold for one of these bands that kind of fights to be back into the position that they started in. But it has plenty of adhesion to it. So let me just start. So back to their packaging. It actually is absolutely stunning. On the end here, it has kind of a diamondy looking tip to it. It has super good closure. So you do want to make sure that you really get it to lock down whenever you're storing it, and that you store it upside down was their tip. But I already have on my liner, so I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to place right at my lash line a layer of the adhesion. And then I'm gonna go right in with this lash. I'm gonna put the lid on first because I'm the only one that's afraid this is gonna dry out. So far, so good. But I'm gonna pick up this lash just with a tweezer. I'm gonna tilt my mirror back underneath me here, and I'm going to place it, opposite handed here, right on where I put that glue, and just kind of set it onto my lash line there. And if I need to adjust, it gives me just enough tackiness and just enough time to be able to do so. So that easy and that fast, I was able to place this lash and it stuck. So let me go back in and add a little glue to the other side. And it's nice that it's black, but also I'm gonna get the clear too, because obviously I'm only using this black one over black liner, but if I wasn't doing a look with black liner, I'm not gonna want this black to show through. All right, so again, they're saying only have to wait 3 to 4 seconds. I'm gonna pick up this lash, look underneath, and place it right down on that line. And pinch it down. When I say pinch it down, I'm pinching this lash band against my own lashes. But it's really that easy. That's how easy it is to pop on a set of lashes without worrying about the tackiness of the glue and making sure it's dried long enough, or if you go to set it down and you miss and it ruins the shadow look that you already spent all that time on. The reality is this truly was the absolute easiest way I have ever put on a set of lashes. And it stays. They stay all day, peel off perfectly, zero residue left on the lash. I'm telling you, these are a win-win, either if you struggle or if you're afraid to use lashes because of the struggle. Give it a try. Worthy the Label. So Worthy the Label is the name of the company. They are absolutely phenomenal. I will link them down below. They did give me a discount code, so if you use that code, you get 10% off. It doesn't cost you any more. It actually sends you that savings. So give them a try. Let me know if you do or if you have before, and I hope that you learned something in this video today. Hopefully you'll come back for another. Hit like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I will see you next time.